Tonight, one Peoria woman losing everything in a matter of just minutes yesterday. Thank you for watching. I'm Shelby Roberts. Mark Welp has the night off. A fire destroyed the place she called home, and now she's left picking up the pieces. Our own Sheridan Hertig spoke with her today, seeing what her experience in the last 24 hours has been like. Sheridan.
Shelby, imagine it's 4 days before Christmas. You're done wrapping your presents, your Christmas tree is lit, and you go out to lunch with your daughter and come back to find everything gone. That was the case for Patrice Foster, and she shares her story tonight.
30 minutes. It only took 30 minutes for Patrice Foster to lose everything at her Spring Street home. All the presents she had just wrapped for Christmas, all the clothes she had just bought her growing daughter, gone in 30 minutes.
My neighbor, he met me halfway, and I didn't have my glasses, and I'm like, I can't see that far. What's going on? And my daughter took off running, and that's when I heard my neighbor say, your house is on fire.
While American Red Cross is paying for 2 days for Foster and her daughter to stay in a hotel, she'll be paying for more days out of her own pocket. But Foster isn't used to being on the receiving end of help. She's a giver and always has been. As the owner of a mental health not-for-profit, she normally is the one pouring into others.
I'm the one who puts the charity things together, so I'm so used to reaching out for help for others. I never thought I would be the one that needs to reach out for me, so I don't know how to ask for help.
Despite the frustration of losing everything, Foster still has a positive outlook.
I'm a firm believer that this too shall pass. It will, it has to. But in the meantime, it's a hard pill to swallow.
And her message to everybody going through tough times?
Sometimes God uses you as example, whether you like it or not. I encourage people in my situation to be okay with receiving help.
Foster started a GoFundMe to try and get back a glimmer of what she had before the fire. The link can be found on our website, ciproud.com.